the video quality is very nice, as right now I'm indoor and artificial light is there, no sunlight. Now I can see the live footage on my mobile phone right there, which the camera is capturing right now. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm going to unbox and test one very nice action camera. Well, you know, there are so much cameras in the market, some very low budget and some very high. As you know, the GoPro is one of them, the highest one, but I'm gonna test one budget segment camera which is performance is very good, as I have tested it already before. So this is the one, it's IZI Lite. IZI, that's the brand name. Well, this is the box packing. Everything is inside this box, and on this side some specs are there. Sharp image, it's a 50MP camera, built-in EIS. This thing has electronic image stabilization, which is very important for the motor vlogging and all, and 170 ultra wide lens, and of course waterproof up to 30 meters. So many things are written here on this side. You can pause the screen and check this out. And on other side, the accessories and all you're getting in this box is right here. The nice thing is that you're getting two batteries with this thing. One stays in the camera and another one you'll get in the accessory box. So the extra battery is very important for action camera. And another nice thing is that you'll get a Type-C microphone, which is another important thing for motor vlogging and all. So here you can see what you'll get inside the box. So that's it. And here the price, the 10,999, that's the MRP, but I'm going to tell you the price later. And all the specs are there at the back side of this box. So that's it. This is the camera. That's how it looks. So let's open it up and check it out. Okay, another box inside this box. IZI Lite. Let's open it up. All right, so here on this side you can see that's the camera right there. So here it is. That's the camera inside the waterproof casing. Well, I'm going to open it up later. First, let's take a look at the accessories, then you're going to check the camera. Well, at the bottom you get this thank you note from IZI. Let's keep it aside. So this is the accessory box. All important things are inside of this. So here you get this nice pouch to carry it with you, and then you get one mounting screw, and this is mounting bracket kind of thing. And this Type-C cable for charging. You get this 3 strap. I don't know how to use this thing. I'm gonna find it out later. And this is another spare battery, which is like 3.7 volt and 1050 mAh of battery. So that's the one. And then another, what is this? The bike holder. You can mount this thing on your bike handle. And this is another connector to connect this thing with this one. And some tapes, patches and all. And this is the nice thing I told you about, Type-C microphone, which comes in the box, which is very nice. And another mounting screw. What else? What else? Nothing else. How more do you want? Everything is here. You get all the stuff to mount this camera to your helmet. So here you get the disclaimer, and you get this QR code here to download the app from their store. And this is the user manual. That's it. So now let's keep this aside and check the camera. Let's take it out of the box. All right, so that's the one. Very cute and nice, and the color combination is very nice. You can see the orange color at the bottom and at the top between these two buttons. So now let's remove this cover from the display. That's it, and that's the, what to say, lens cover or lens filter, whatever they are saying now. Let's remove that one too. So now you can see that's not the lens, that's the lens cover. You can remove this thing. That's the actual lens, and this is the lens cover. Remove this front cover too. So it comes with two display. The back side you get a 2.4-inch kind of that display, and at the front here you get this 1.4-inch display. On the right side you get the speaker and up and down buttons, and at the top that's the power button, and that's a mode and function button, I guess. And on this side that's the microphone, and on the left side you get this TF card slot, type C port for charging and for microphone, and the high definition connection. So that's it. Now at the bottom, that's a battery compartment. Just slide that to this side and then pull it up. That's the battery inside of it. So one battery is here and you get another one. So that's a nice thing. So now let's turn this thing on. That's the power button. So now I'm going to set it up. So I have mounted one SD card right there, 64 GB, and now this thing is on and it will start recording. As you can see, 5K 30 FPS normal video. But before start the video, let's check out the options by pressing this power button. Once here you can see normal video, slow motion, loop recording, time-lapse video, normal photo, automatic photo, burst photo, timed photo, and then Wi-Fi. So that's it. And now let's start the recording by pressing this button. And here you can see the recording is on, and the video quality is very nice, as right now I'm indoor and artificial light is there, no sunlight. So that's it. Now if you want to use the front screen, then you gotta press this down button. I press and hold for a few seconds and the screen will change. And here you can see now I can see myself while I'm recording the video. So like that. Now let's start the button. Now it's recording there. Now I'm recording myself, so this is very good for recording yourself too, like when you are vlogging or something like that, like right now what I'm doing. So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's like that. So that's it. It's a very nice thing, and as I can see it right here, the picture quality is very nice. And later I'm going to do the detailed test of this thing outside, mounting on the helmet, and also taking it in the hand, like live vlogging. So that's it. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and check out my other channels too. You will find the links in the description below. So later I'm going to do detail, as I told you, testing of this camera. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.